Hello, kids. And hello, world. It is Adam and the 5 little monkeys, and we're going to meet a new friend today.
Yeah, we're gonna meet a new friend and you're gonna like him.
Dad, it's going to be cool. It's always fun. Well, hey, look, we have our new friend. He popped up right here. What is your name?
My name is Stripey.
Well, hello.
Oh, hello, Stripey.
It's really cool. We get to meet new friends. That's awesome. Stripey, what kind of animal does this look like? Ooh, all right. Little monkeys, you get to guess. So he's got stripes and 2 ears and a face like that and even a tail. Look at that. So what do you think is this animal? I know. Okay, Pinkerton, tell me, what do you think? It's a cow. I don't think it's a cow. Cows do have 4 legs and ears and a face and even a tail, but this is not a cow.
I know. I will guess. I'm gonna guess a frog.
Not a frog.
Nope, not a frog.
Okay. Another guess?
I will guess because I am Finger, and I am gonna guess a lion.
Hey, a lion is a very close guess. This is very close. I think you can for sure get it for this one.
Oh, I know what it is.
What do you think it is, Thumpkin?
It's a beaver.
You guys are good guessers, but it is not right. I think we give up. We don't know what it is. I am
A tiger.
Oh, tiger, Stripey the tiger. Okay, that was it. Well, you know what? I'm really glad we get to do that. We should bring more animals onto the show, and then maybe that'll help us so we can learn more animals.
I like that idea. Yeah, that'll be really fun. And maybe it'll be a beaver, because I really like them.
Yes, maybe it will be a beaver, but today it is Stripey the tiger. We're so glad you could come on the show.
Thank you.
So glad to see the kids. Can you see them? Yeah, we can see them. There's kids watching. It's great.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
See ya. Bye.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for being here and seeing some animals and meeting our friend, Stripey the tiger.
No, he's a beaver.
Oh boy, he's a tiger.